Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be stuffing my cash envelopes for the next 2 weeks. I'm super excited because I am going to be completing one of my savings challenges. And so let's go ahead and get into it. Your first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. I really encourage that you subscribe to the channel, and if you are returning bestie, hey girl, hey. All right, you guys, let's get started. So I am going to be stuffing $1,355. Wow, who is that? It's me. Yeah, so I'm gonna be stuffing that amount. I'm going to be putting a lot of money towards some savings. So let's go over to the budget, which lets us know what I am going to be saving or what I'm going to be stuffing rather. And I'm also going to be moving into my fall wallet, which is the bigger wallet. Love this wallet. I just love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, if you know me, you know I love this wallet. So today, guess I'll use this pen. This first one that jumped out at me. I am going to be stuffing, go here because this is the cash envelope breakdown. I'm gonna use this here. So I'm gonna be stuffing my daily envelopes last, since I am gonna be switching out my wallet. And then I'm also gonna be stuffing that last because I had to use some of the food money. But I'm gonna be stuffing $500 towards my 1 month ahead. I'm gonna be stuffing household. I'm gonna be stuffing 52-week challenge, and then 3K savings, okay? So let's get to taking my money out here. All right, so this is the money that I have. I am just going to separate it here so that I can count it. I might need my calculator, but then I might not need it. So this should be a little bit less than $13.55 because like I said, I did use some of my food money. I did take a $20 bill and I used some of that money, I believe it was. So we'll see. So total in here, I have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. That's 1,300. 1320, 1330, 42. So 1342 is what we have here. I'm just going to take a moment to set this up. All right, perfect. So like I said, I'm gonna start with my savings challenges. So the first one I'm gonna start with, how about we just start with my 1 month ahead fund, and that is $500, and I'm just gonna be saving 5 $100 bills. So I'm gonna take this money out. Now this is short $300 that I need to put back in here. I needed to borrow it for a moment. So I am gonna need to put that back. So FYI, 1, 2, 3. Because I'm gonna include that into my balance here. So let's see how much I have in my 1 month ahead. I actually have my tracker here that I want to see where I am with my tracker. So the goal is 2,800 to be saved. So let's see how much I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $1,950. So I'm actually almost at 70% saved. So that is good. I'm not going to complete the tracker until I actually have the money here, which if you're following me on Instagram, I encourage that you go subscribe or follow me on Instagram, and then you'll be able to see me complete this full with the $300 back in here. And then also I'm gonna get an extra $10 so that we can be at 70% saved. So I'm actually going to do that. I might even just take some extra money so that we can be at a full $2,000. So I might also do that as well. Okay, so make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram. Next up, I am going to be stuffing $50 in the household envelope. I forgot the household was in here. And we're just gonna call it Costco. This $50 is gonna go here. And then I also wanted to start the toiletries sinking fund as well. I need to create me a toiletries envelope that unfortunately I don't have. I really need to make this applicable. So I am just going to add it because I don't even have trash anymore. I need to fix this, but I'm gonna add the $40 here, I guess, and that's gonna be 220s. Usually I take the yeah, so I'm gonna put it there in Costco also. So that's that. Next, I am gonna stuff my 3K savings. Well, first let me stuff the 3K savings first, and then I'll stuff the 52-week savings since that one will be completed. So the 3K savings, I'm saving $160, and it's these two circles. So I'm just gonna take this marker here. There we go. We're almost done with this one. And 160, so that's $100 bill and 320s. And this is gonna go in my October envelope. Now for the last envelope, which I'm super excited about, is the 52-week envelope, and it's a total of $565. So first I want to make sure that this is all of the boxes here. $565, and that's going to be the rest of the boxes here. So that's going to be 5 $100 bills, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a 50. Let's see, a 50, a 10, and a 5. A 10 and a 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 550, 560, 565 in the 52-week savings challenge. This savings challenge is complete, and I will do a separate video where I'm going to count all of the money to see everything that we have in here, and then I am going to divide it all, and I will let you know what I'm actually going to be doing with this challenge. So I'm super excited. I wasn't able to do this the first time that I ever received this envelope. It's been an amazing challenge, and I got this from a YouTuber who's no longer on YouTube, Pink X Budgets, but this has been amazing. So I do plan, I really do want to be honest with you guys, I do want to create my own savings binder as well. I want to do a lot of stuff. I be acting slow, y'all. Okay, so that's that. Now I am going to stuff my daily envelopes, and I'm gonna need to switch out everything. So first, let me need to take out all my cards before I, just give me a second while I do that. Oops. Okay. Ooh, all my cards is going haywire. Okay, so let me first empty this daily wallet. I have a receipt here that I am going to need to scan. Just let me tell you guys, if you do not have Fetch Rewards, you need to get Fetch Rewards. I use the points once a year. I let all of my points add up, and on my birthday or around my birthday month, I will cash out all of my points and I will use it to purchase myself a birthday gift. Last year was the first time that I used, well, the first year I used my points to purchase me some Gucci glasses. Last year I used the points to purchase me Maison Francis Baccarat perfume. This year, I use my points to purchase me, of course, another bougie perfume. And I'll share that with you guys probably on Instagram. So you guys, if you are not following me on Instagram and you have it, please follow me there. But I'll be sharing what I bought with my points. Well, I guess I could tell you, I just don't feel like going to go get the bottle, and I'll put up a picture right here. But I bought Delina Exclusive, okay? So I really, really, really love the Delinas Parfums de Marly. I am working on my Parfums de Marly collection, and so currently I have 4. But this last purchase made the 4th one, and so I bought that with my points, you guys. That is a $385 bottle of perfume, and I bought it with points just by scanning my receipts. And so you can cash out your points whenever you want to. You don't have to do it. I don't think the points expire. The app is free, and all you have to do is scan your receipts. And when you offer the app to other people, like if you have friends or family and they scan the app, you get, or they start using the app, you get bonus points when they use your referral. So if you would like to test it out, make sure you guys use my referral, please, okay? Because I'm gonna let all of my points accumulate, and then next year I'll be able to buy something else. They have all kind of gift cards on there. I got the Nordstrom gift card, that's how I was able to get that. And they have Target, they have just all kinds. So check it out, download it. It's free 99, and all you're doing is scanning your receipts, okay? So in my food envelope, I have $5, $6, $7 left here. In my miscellaneous envelope, which is really my toiletries envelope, I have $1. And then in my fun envelope, which was a part of my birthday money, I have $10. So I'm just gonna put this here. And then I do have some coins in there, but I'm just gonna take those coins and I am going to put it in my coin jar, okay? So the money that I have left over is $10, $15, $16, $17, $18. And this $18, I am going to just put it in my envelope here. All right, so groceries. So food, which is groceries, is gonna get $40. So that's gonna be, okay, so this is what it is. I only had 20. let's see, 25, 26, $27 left from my $40. And really that's it. I guess this should be an eat out because that's really what I use it for. So I'm gonna switch these envelopes around. And then, yeah, all of these are, well, spending is what I'm gonna put this money in this envelope. Entertainment, miscellaneous, gas. Okay. I wanna know, why do I have $200 here? Hey besties, so I actually ended up finding where the $200 was supposed to go, and it was supposed to go in my 1 month ahead envelope. So I went back, looked at the video, and I saw that I had only took $300 instead of the full $500, which was budgeted for. So mystery solved. I think that is it for this video. I've stuffed everything, but yeah, because yes, I don't know why. I'm assuming that's where it goes, but anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you besties in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
You're special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing.